Good morning, students. This is class 6th, chapter 8, body movements. Students, I am sending you PDF of this chapter. So here I am reading question answer of this chapter. What is a tissue? A tissue is a group of similar cells which are tied together to perform a particular function. Second question is, what is an organ system? Groups of different organs that work together to help the body perform a function together is called an organ system. What do you mean by ligaments? Ligaments are the band of strong tissues in a person's body which connects the bone. Okay, once again I am reading. Ligament are the band of strong tissues in a person's body which connect the bone. Next question is, what is cartilage? What is its function? A cartilage is the strong and flexible substance in our body. It reduces friction between the surface when the bone move against each other. Next question is, what are the function of spine? The spine is also called vertebral column or backbone. It is strong and flexible and runs from skull to the pelvis. It holds the head and body upright. This joint allows slight movement in the vertebra. That is why we can bend and twist our back. Next question is, why are the last two ribs called the floating ribs? The last two pairs of ribs are not attached in front and are hence called floating ribs. Write a short note on X-rays. X-rays are special rays that can pass through the soft tissue but not through the bones. Question number 8. How do bristles help in the movement of an earthworm? The earthworm has special bristles like seta on the underside of its body that are attached to the muscle. The bristles help to get a good grip on the ground. Now come on to answer the following question in detail. What are the functions of the skeletal system? The skeletal system in our body performs several important functions. First is, the bones of our body act as a framework or structure. Second is, the skeleton play a very important role in the movement of the body. Next is, the bone also protect the delicate internal organs. What is rib cage? Explain its structure and function. The rib cage are thin, flat, curved bones that form a protective cage around the organ in the upper part of the body. The rib cage consists of 24 bones arranged in 12 pairs. It protects the heart, lung, and some part of stomach and kidneys. Describe the 4 movable joints of our body with examples. First one is hinge joint. This type of joint provides back and forth movement. F-O-R-T-H, fourth, okay? Back and forth movement similar to the hinges of a door. They allow rotation. The finger, elbow and knee joints are the example of the hinge joint. Second is ball and socket joint. In this type of joint, the end of one of the bone is round like a ball. The joint allows movement in all directions. For example, the femur or the humerus can move in any direction. Next is pivot joint. In this joint, a bony rings rotate around a pivot that is axis or stick-like bone. This allows twisting movement about the joint. For example, the neck joint. Fourth Next is gliding joint. This type of joint allows one bone to glide against each other. This joint is found between the small bones of wrist and ankles. Next is describe the movement of bones in our body. Bones and muscles work together for movement of body. Bones cannot move by themselves. Only muscles can move. They are attached to the bones with the help of tissues called tendons and function by contracting and relaxing. How does a snail move? Explain it. The snail have a large flat foot which help them to move forward. The foot produce a slimy mucus to make a track slippery. It enables a snail to crawl on variety of surfaces. Question number 6. How does swim bladder help in movement of water animals? Fishes have a special structure called swim bladder that can be filled with air or emptied to help them to move up and down in water. Question number 7. What are the special features of a bird which help it to fly? Answer is, birds have a streamlined body which make it easy for them to move through the air. The bones of the birds are hollow and are very light. Okay student, so this is question answer of chapter 8, that is body movement. Have a look at the chapter and prepare it for your unit 3 exam. Okay, thank you.